Yes, hippos do just roam the streets.
Oh my god, look. I'm scared. No, fuck off.
No, I'm a fucking leave.
The first ladder at my own risk. I can get my hands. You see I'm shaking. What about it just fell?
It won't.
I don't like it at all. Not fun. We've changed room. This is our own little garden now. That bed was just too much. Kitchen that we don't really need, but it's loads of space. There's the pool straight out there. A nice comfy bed. And the bathroom. Bath. And here. So much better. And I'm not one of those awkward people that complain about stuff, but that was something else.
Pengu! Hey, Pengu! Oh, it's such a random thing for me to do, but I'm always doing things that like push outside the boundaries, do you know what I mean?
So pretty. Is it really freezing? Look at them crazy bastards in there. Oh my god, look how small they are. Oh, look at them go. Look how blue it is. Look at that. We're collecting shells. I feel like you get all the best ones. I can't find any. We were up on that mountain and these are the beaches that I filmed. And that sea is even colder than the other bit. Literally took my breath away. And look at the white sand. Time to watch the sunset. Hello.
Yeah.
Kissing you. The love of her life is in London apparently.
Same there.
We go over there.
What are you here?
Because I'm a nosy bitch and I can hear everything. Fucking stunning, mate. Look at that fucking moon, buddy. I can't stop. I'm losing my mind. Stunning, marvellous, beautiful. Yes, is it stunning? It's stunning. Look at that with the... Yeah, stunning. In case no one's ever seen the money before, look how colourful it is. It's like Monopoly money. Oh look, the elephant one. I've not seen that one. Such fun money. Our money's so boring. Look at that. I can't talk. We're going to the Kirstenbosch, but I can't fucking... Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. And like my outfits, I thought I'd show you. Obsessed with the little pointy tops. It's a strappy one. And then these shorts are literally, they were jeans and I didn't really like them. I never wore them. They had a tag on, so we cut them into shorts. Here's the outfit. Ready to go. Here you go, you can see the back. See it? There I am. And I've got my little white sandals on too. So that's where we're going up tomorrow.
That green band going up.
That one up. Wow. There's so many pretty plants. We're finding our way for tomorrow for the Skeleton Gorge route, yeah?
Yeah, not George.
We're not even there yet. So it's not even the start of the mountain. If that's just from getting to this bit, I'm a bit scared about tomorrow. Obviously I wouldn't be doing it in sandals.
Citrusy.
I would never have done this a few years ago. Disgusting. But it is good.
Dion mushrooms are
Dion mushrooms, not just any mushrooms. Before the climb. Skeleton Gorge, here we go. Imagine if when you die, you just have to constantly walk up these stairs. And you can't stop. And if you do, you die and you go to the bottom again. Focus, essentials.
Barbie water.
Barbie water and sun cream. 34 minutes in. Is this the new steps? Okay, camera must go. These signs are the ones that shit me up. And if it wasn't for all these trees, you'd actually see how high up we are. Quite easy. 1 hour, 10 minutes in. Can't even see how high up we are. We just climbed the waterfall. Wow!
Oh my god! Wow!
Wow! Hour 2. I connect my hair. You're an idiot! Ah! We're nearly at hour 3. Quick break. Oh my gosh. So we need to get to there?
Yeah.
We need to find a safe way down. Makes Lion's Head look bloody easy.
It's windy, boys, be careful.
Wow! Look at that. Let me jump. That is insane. Our update 4. Now at the top of Table Mountain and the wind is picking up. Oh my god. That's quite the drop. Right, be careful. There's something there's a board in me. Get it out of me.
It's in there.
Look at that. We've done it. Nearly. It's the final countdown to Lenny.
Like a pack of sardines, we cannot escape, we cannot come out.
Wow, we're spinning. This is so fun and terrifying. Okay, I'm not actually that scared, it's quite quick. We walked across that. I'm washed and clean, it feels so good. I'm wearing a mountain top. It was so fun, there were some scary bits, but it was so good. I don't even know what I filmed, but I loved it. I'm all clean, waiting for a Nando's. I'm loving life, but there's only 3 full days left. I don't want to come home, it's like day 20. And I still don't want to come home. Oh, go shawty, it's your birthday. It's your birthday in Cape Town. Go shawty. In my birthday dress. My birthday flowers. They match my birthday dress. And look at my cute Pandora, but I haven't got my important Pandora bracelet with me. Don't look at my nails too close. Cute. A little shell, a little starfish, and a little pearl. Oh, and I'm going to see Billie Eilish. Anyway, spend a day with me on my birthday in Cape Town. Morning, Swanee. The water taxi has arrived. And we've arrived. They're fighting. Oh. Hello. I am a sea penis. Hey, Dory. They don't look real. But how is that real? Look at him. That's what in the Moana. I am Moana. Something. Oh, I don't know. I know, it would be round if we were in London. I love the sunbeams coming down. Hello. This looks like the worst angle ever. He's coming.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
They're not gonna stay lit.
Hey dear Jessie, happy birthday to you.
Got my fake candles.
Wait. It's your hair, fucking hell. There you go.
I made a wish.
Take that.
Oh, it's coming towards us, Robbie. I'm gonna cry.
See in the distance, so he's taking it.
Oh my god, I don't like it.
What are we gonna do? What are you doing now? There's running down from the floor. What an idiot.
That's it. Update. He was just trying to give my flowers some water. He gave them a bit too much. We got all the water out though, look. No puddles. Pretty impressive really. Now we just clean the floor. Like nothing ever happened. The sign isn't in the floor, so we're definitely not there. Oh look, there's a little map here. There's more routes. It's not just that. The end goal. Medium Coke looks like an extra large in the UK.
To me, it's the large.
It looks larger than large, doesn't it? And this is a medium. Delicious. Wow. This is day 23 of 4, but technically tomorrow's our last day and we're going home. Last minute sun tanning. It's been 2 minutes and I'm dying.
There's no point in saying good morning, because it certainly is not one.
We're leaving.